Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be just unboxing and reviewing whatever stuffs we get inside this DJI Mic Mini. So rather than a regular tutorial videos that we make, it is just going to be a review of what we get inside the box, right? So this is actually a one transmitter and one receiver version. There's actually the ones with two microphones and one of these, but since I only need it as a single user, I got the one with one transmitter and one receiver. So let's just go ahead and then quickly open this up. So obviously first I'm just gonna go and get my scissors. I do not have a paper cutter here, and just show you briefly what everything we get inside. And I'll be making some tutorials like how you can pair this with your phone, with your camera, or with your laptop. So I'll make sure to leave the playlist link in the description box, and also stay subscribed by the way. So here I have the plastic taken out, and this is the box as we have got. Now let me just go ahead and then open this up. So I guess this is how we open it, from the top like this, and we get a little pouch. I'd say there is actually the other DJI mic version is the one you get with a charging case as well, but this one is something that we have to charge manually separately. I just got this version because it is quite budget friendly for me. So now we can get the pouch like this, and let me just open it up, and this is what we get inside. So let's look inside. We have a little chain that pulls it out. This right here is a windshield, so I guess this is what they'd rather call a windshield. Let me just grab this up, and this would be if you're recording in outdoor environments where there's quite a lot of noise and you might just want to use this. In that case, let me just keep this towards this side until then. I don't want to lose the packets belonging to each of these items. And here we have a little Type-C port or a cable, however you name it, like a converter. This goes actually to the transmitter when we want to connect to our phone or any Type-C device. And this is a charging cable. So because we have a transmitter as well as a receiver, we get a cable that has two Type-C ports right here. So basically two Type-C ports, so one charges the mic, the other charges the transmitter, and this one obviously to your power dock. I can just leave it at the side. This is an Aux cable, so this would be especially when you're recording on cameras that don't have Type-C, or on older devices, older gen devices. You could connect this end to your transmitter, the other end to your camera or your aux port, or you could also use this Type-C cable that comes with it. So I'll also just leave this towards this side. And finally to the main part, this is, I don't know, I'm quite confusing the names by the way. One of them is called transmitter, the other is called receiver. I'm guessing this one that connects to our device mainly is called a transmitter. So I'm just keeping this towards the side as well. And then finally we have the mic. So this is actually a mic charger. If you're not aware, I'll show you how it's going to charge just within a minute. But before we get to that part, let's look at this. And this is the main mic that we have. So we get a magnet that comes attached with it like this. So this goes on and clips onto your t-shirt or however, and whenever this is out of charge, you simply put this wireless case like this. This is the charger, so it just sticks. It's a magnetic, as you can see here, and we charge it using the Type-C cable. So here you can see the Type-C port, and on the transmitter also we can see the Type-C port. So this was a very basic and a short overview of what are the items we get inside it. As for the tutorials on this, if you need them, make sure to leave them down in the comments box. Stay subscribed. I'll be sure to bring you much more updated tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.